Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we would like to talk about BMT, USDT trading pair with my customer set and Asian accumulation pump model. Let's dive in. I miss it. I missed this news just after the Binance listing. I realized so the BMT, it's a Bubble Maps token. Wow. I might be skipping this news. Nice, because why nice? Because I love this platform. I love the platform where you can track the whales. You know, the whales, the scammers, all this visualization of in the bubbles. You know how they teams usually they launch some meme tokens or the normal tokens and hold the biggest amount of tokens allocation. You know, and you can check you can connect the dots between the wallets with a nice visualization. So Bubble Maps now it's 22 cents, but keep in mind, guys, seed round was in September 2023. There is no data about the price, right? And IDO just 7 days ago, 8 days ago, raised it 80K on a Binance wallet. Right, and the price was 2 cents. So keep in mind, guys, usually after this good gains, and especially the Binance listing, you know, we pump it 369% from the low of on a BitGet, it's 3K 131%. We can dump to the to the initiation accumulation pump model blocks zone of interest. So highly recommend you go and check this education video, how to work with initiation accumulation pump model after listing with the token. So I think BMT, it's not some special token, which probably not playing out this model. Of course, guys, it's not necessary. So all tokens should drop to zone of interest, but sooner or later we can come back to that zone of interest. And if the IDO was 2 cents, just by logic, what's the point to buy now this token at 22 cents? A little bit need to wait the market calm down, and after that maybe reinvest in it. So usually the market makers drop the price to the IDO price, to the ICO price, to the fundraising rounds, and after that start investing in it again. So what we can say about this project? So now it's a really low cap token. It's 57 million market capitalization, but only 25% tokens in circulation supply. So 1 billion total supply, maximum supply. So $1, 1 billion market capitalization. Is it possible? Of course, yes. But now it's priced 22, just in case. FDV 223. So like 5 times bigger than market capitalization. Also, here's the vesting schedule, right? Unlocks around 3. I don't know why there is no data yet on CryptoRank, but anyway, today we will see the unlocks. So it's like 0.09% of total supply, and actual like 0.34%, 200K market capitalization unlock. All right, you have to work with that data schedule of vesting schedule. Yes, of course. The zone of interest, guys, based on this model, of course, I use the BitGet because on the BitGet it's lowest point of the listing prices. So 0.5 level by FIP is here. This is the first zone of interest. 5 cents 54, 4 cents 47. I will leave this zones, and share on the Binance, share on CoinMarketCap, so we can come back and track it. Is it playing out or not? So be ready for potential drop like 78%, 78, 90%. It's first zone of interest, and the second one, it's an okay zone to buy. This is the best zone to buy in validation of this idea if the price dump on the listing price. So on the BitGet, it was like 1 cent. So 86 level by FIP. It's hard to believe now. So the BMT can dump from 22 cents, from 30 cents, even to 2 cents. But guys, the Celestia, so fundamental, great project, Tech project, dump it from $20 to $3. So just in case, we didn't test the zone of interest, so we hold the line on the next day at, let me check, yes, 23 level FIP. So the model absolutely identical to the Celestia, yes, we can pump like this one. Maybe in summer we come back to this level. Maybe not. Guys, it's just my idea about this token. You know, you can have your own idea and work with that data. What do you believe in it? What do you analyze it, right? So I'm not a fan of the tokens with crazy spike gains in the next few days. 300, 400, and at the top from IDO, it's around 3,000% gains. So I don't see any reason to invest into this token now at 22. But of course, guys, it's still low cap token, 57 million market capitalization. So just in case, we can skyrocket to the moon, right? But I work with money management, risk management, and this is a zone of interest. Weekly open, it's 9 cents. It can be also like a trigger target. Now it's not a gap, still not close, right? This one gap, it's 14.5 and like 10 cents, and there is an open space. Just open space to drop lower. And monthly yearly open is here. It's 1 cent. So I don't think so. We will drop under listing price, but we can. So also what is good, we can form, you know, like 3 drives pattern, one more top of 40 cents, for example, right? By end of this, we can only after that dump it lower, but it's 4 hour time frame, of course. So local zone, I showed you. Take a look, guys, now with my customer set, what's going on now. With this token, of course, just bring you one token. There is no data on ADZ direction. Market mood is A for you, totally for you. Totally free at 12 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, also A for you. So this was a time to sell. Why we can go higher? Because we can form the divergence. So we can hit even the, I don't know, 100 million market capitalization, 50 cents, for example, and only after that drop. But of course, much better will be if we drop now to a zone of accumulation, because we will not waste the time. But just in case, guys, be ready. Also, I don't recommend you to use DCA strategy. Use only DCA strategy when we came into some zone of interest. Also, you can't invest in all of these projects. You and me, we don't have unlimited budget, guys. That's why choose project wisely, and better skip project than invest randomly in random price target. ADZ, now it's even on a 4 hour time frame, it's a distribution. Direction, no signal to buy. A market mood, even on a 4 hour time frame, it's a hype and A for you. Money power, guys, take a look. The whales fix the profit. Money outflow. 12 hour time frame. No data. 1 hour time frame. Of course, 1 hour time frame, it's for for intraday, for scalp here. Not for scalp. For scalp, of course, it's a 5 to 1. 15 minutes time frame, maybe 1 hour time frame. Money inflow, pump. Money outflow, 2 RSI bearish divergence, now money inflow again. So keep in mind, based on today's news from Fed about the rate decision, right after FOMS, we can see the spike again higher, and more and more people will be trapped with the hype around, But a zone of interest, personally for me, still the same. Trade on, guys, take a look. Of course, no makes sense to pay attention for 1 hour time frame or so, at least 4 hour time frame. Sell, tiny sell, biggest sell, and I wish to see, of course, if I could trade this token, I wish to see one more impulse up, the more and more people stock it in that token, and after that, if I could be the market maker, I will dump it lower to zone of interest. Take profit, guys. Take profit, no data on 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame here. Take a look. Oh yes, we can see one more impulse up. So the buy line now on 1 hour time frame, it's 10 cents. 10 cents, 84. It's a buy line. 15 minutes time frame, we going down. So here, once again, take profit line on 15 minutes time frame, 32.48, 46. Exit line 36.72. Buy line 16.26. For the value, it's 12.16. Let's check on 30 minutes time frame. Yes, 14.57. So guys, around here, it's okay. Time to accumulate token for some bounce for the pullback, right? But now we can see this move, for example, and drop it down. So just in case, guys, I will share this idea on TradingView. So we're gonna track it. We got this week and the next one in March. So just be ready. Just be ready for any case scenario. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a BMT. If you like to trade with my customer Chris, showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.